Max's big adventure to stay healthy. Introduction. Meet Max. Max loves to eat snacks all day, but he doesn't like to run or play. He enjoys chips, chocolates, and fast food. But is that good for him? Let's find out. Max feels tired. One morning, Max was running to catch the school bus, but he stopped, panting and out of breath. Why do I feel so tired all the time? Max wondered. His friend Lily saw him and asked, Max, are you okay? You always feel tired and don't play with us anymore. Max sighed and shook his head. Something didn't feel right. Learning about obesity. At school, Miss Sarah noticed Max looked tired. She walked over and asked, Max, do you know why you feel tired? It's because of what we eat and how much we move. Lily, curious, asked, What do you mean, Miss Sarah? Miss Sarah smiled and pointed at the board. When we eat too much junk food and don't exercise, our body stores extra fat. This is called obesity. Max's eyes widened. Oh no. Am I obese? He asked nervously. Miss Sarah nodded thoughtfully. Well, let's see. Do you eat lots of chips, sweets, and fast food? And do you exercise every day? Max hesitated. Not really. Miss Sarah gently said, Then yes, Max, you might be overweight. But don't worry. We can make healthy choices to feel better. Why obesity is not good. Miss Sarah explained, Obesity is not good because it makes us feel tired. Makes it hard to run and play with friends. Can make our hearts work too hard. It can make us feel sad about ourselves. Max frowned. Oh no. I don't want that. What can I do? How to stay healthy? Miss Sarah smiled. Great question, Max. To stay healthy, we should eat more fruits and vegetables. Drink lots of water. Play outside and exercise every day. Eat less junk food. Lily cheered. That sounds fun. Max, let's play outside today. Max grinned. Okay. I want to be strong and full of energy. No more too many chips for me. Happy and healthy Max. A few weeks later, Max made healthy choices and now he felt great. He ran fast, played with his friends, and was always full of energy. I feel so happy and strong. Eating healthy and playing is fun. Max exclaimed. Miss Sarah clapped. Great job, Max. Let's all promise to make healthy choices. All the kids cheered. Yay. We promise. Eating healthy and staying active makes us strong, happy, and full of energy. Let's all choose to be healthy. Help children learn about healthy eating, exercise, and well-being with these interactive worksheets. Perfect for World Obesity Day, these activities encourage kids to make smart food choices and stay active for a healthy lifestyle. Download free worksheets from ideasuper.com and guide your kids about healthy eating habits.